So today we're wrapping up our periodic maintenance on this Suzuki SV650, which is a fuel-injected motorcycle, and we need to synchronize the throttle valves. So a perfect tool to do that is this Motorscan MemoBike 6050 paired with the DIVAS 6053 accessory that makes syncing carburetors and throttle bodies pretty easy. If you want to see a little more information on this tool itself and hooking it up and using it for trouble codes and diagnostic procedures like that, we'll put some links in the description for those videos. But this one will focus on synchronizing these throttle bodies. Now, one of the cool things that's really helpful on this is the bars between the cylinders are color coded. So they do green, yellow, and red, and green is your target for when you're getting them really close to balance. But also you can see the hard data on the left side, or actually I'm standing backwards here, but on the right side of this screen you can see the hard data between the cylinders, so you can actually get those bars even, and you can see the numbers between them, and you can get them perfect, which is really cool, and it makes it pretty easy. So check out the rest of this video and you'll see this tool in action.